Ladies and gentlemen, the Daimler Double Six Coupe is back. And I don't mean some dusty old XJC rerun. I'm talking a full-on 2026 spec, modernized Grand Tourer that looks like it was designed by God himself on a Sunday afternoon. But here's the thing. The rumors around the 2027 version? Oh, we need to talk. All right, let's walk around this thing. Up front, and I need you to really look at this grille. That is not a BMW kidney. That is not a Rolls-Royce Pantheon. That is a Daimler fluted grille. Chrome, tall, commanding, sitting between the most sophisticated LED headlight clusters I have seen on a luxury coupe in years. Turn signals, amber, DRLs, white, fog lights, square, tucked low in the carbon splitter. This front end means business. The silhouette from the side is, man, it's a classic long hood, short deck GT. Pure 1960s DNA, long front overhang, roofline that flows like water, fastback into a calm tail. Cream paint, not white, cream. There's a difference, and it makes all the difference. Those wheels, gunmetal multi-spoke, probably 21-inch, low-profile rubber. The car sits slammed, not stupid low, but purposeful low, like it knows it's fast. Out back, a full-width LED light bar, quad exhausts in a carbon diffuser, 4 pipes people, not 2 pretending to be 4. The Daimler badge and double six script in old-school cursive lettering, absolutely chef's kiss. Okay, now step inside, and I want you to smell that through the screen, because this cabin smells like victory. Tan cognac leather, every single surface, diamond-quilted stitching on the seats, on the door cards. Burl walnut trim running the full width of the dash. It looks like a private club in London circa 1975, but then you look center and there's a widescreen infotainment touchscreen. Navigation, modern tech, but the analog gauge cluster is still there. Speedometer, tachometer, 4 round pods, pure. The gear selector is a rotary tower, bespoke, not borrowed. The steering wheel carries a Script D logo. This is craftsmanship that Rolls-Royce and Bentley charge extra for, and reportedly, Daimler might price this below both of them. Now, the name, Double Six. That ain't just branding. Double six means 12 cylinders, 2 banks of 6, a V12, and the rumors say this could be a twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter V12, producing somewhere north of 650 horsepower. 0 to 60, allegedly under 3.8 seconds. And top speed, electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but the actual mechanical capability, rumored closer to 180 plus. And for the 2027 model year, and this is where the rumors get really spicy, an electrified variant is reportedly in development. A mild hybrid V12, or possibly a full plug-in hybrid with around 30 miles of electric-only range. Because even Daimler has to play ball with emissions regulations. All right, the question everybody came here for. How much? Industry insiders are whispering a base price somewhere between $285,000 and $340,000 USD for the launch spec. Fully optioned, custom leather, bespoke paint, the full Daimler commission program, you're probably looking at $400,000 easy. Is that crazy? Nah, this is a hand-built limited production Grand Tourer targeting fewer than 500 units globally per year. That's not a car. That's a wearable investment. So who does this thing compete with? Who's in the room? You've got the Bentley Continental GT, the reigning benchmark, around $245,000. The Rolls-Royce Wraith, V12, around $340,000, Spirit of Ecstasy territory. The Aston Martin DB12, British Blood, twin-turbo V8, $245,000, and the Ferrari Roma, Italian Elegance, twin-turbo V8, $225,000. All serious machines, all legitimate competitors. But here's the thing, none of those have this name. None of them carry royal British history. None of them make you feel like you're stepping into a private members club that just happens to do 180 miles an hour. Look, is any of this officially confirmed? Not yet. These are renders, leaks, and very credible industry whispers. But I've been covering cars for a long time. And when something looks this complete, this resolved, this ready, it's not a fantasy. Daimler is back. The Double Six nameplate is back. And if the 2027 model year delivers even half of what these images promise, the Europeans are going to have some very uncomfortable conversations. Drop a comment below. Would you take this over a Bentley Continental GT? I genuinely want to know. Smash that like button if you're as hyped as I am. Subscribe, because we cover exactly this every single week. I'll see you in the next one.